President Obama today boldly predicted quick success where so many before him have failed.
And our goal will be to enact comprehensive health care reform by the end of this year.
It's not just about expanding coverage to America's 46 million uninsured, he said. It's a matter of economic survival.
By a wide margin, the biggest threat to our nation's balance sheet is the skyrocketing costs of health care. It's not even close.
In 2008, national spending on health care totaled $2.4 trillion. Over the next decade, costs are expected to explode at about 6% a year, with total spending soaring to $4.4 trillion in 2018.
If we don't tackle health care, then we're going to break the bank.
What about the rotor?
Just ask Michael Anderson, owner of Wagon Work Body Shop in Northern Virginia.
You treat this business like it's a family.
Yes, absolutely.
In 2005, it cost $75,000 to cover about 25 employees. In 2008, it cost $148,000. Anderson says he had no choice but to ask them to shoulder much more of the cost.
What was it like for you to have to go to these guys and say, hey, I can't afford to cover you?
It was very, very painful. It was very, very painful.
He's worried the policymakers at the White House, just 6 miles away, don't get it.
They're kind of living in the ivory tower, and I think they need to really get out and really speak to the common person.
But the president says that's precisely why he invited 150 people representing all sides of the healthcare debate, including ordinary Americans. He says he's learned the lessons of the healthcare reform failure of 15 years ago, when then First Lady Hillary Clinton worked behind closed doors and put together a plan full of mandates.
If somebody has insurance they like, they should be able to keep that insurance.
Instead of doing battle with insurance companies, drug companies, hospitals, and doctors, this time all those groups are in the room, most agreeing that now is the time for shared sacrifice.
To Sir Edward Kennedy.
Senator Ted Kennedy, who's led the battle for health care reform for years and is himself battling brain cancer, received a royal welcome.
This time we will not fail. Thank you very much.
Even so, the president made clear that everyone is going to have to share the pain.
That's right. I'm talking to you liberal bleeding hearts out there. Don't think that we can solve this problem without tackling costs.
Republicans gave the president a bit of a pass today. Their criticism was quite gentle, but here at the White House, they don't expect that to continue. Katie?
Chip Reid. Chip, thanks very much.